What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about what is Ford warranty. So the Ford warranty is 3 years or 36,000 miles. That's bumper to bumper. That's covered everything from the front bumper to the back bumper. That's all included besides your maintenance. Your next warranty is your diesel engine coverage, and that is a direct injection diesel, and that is 5 years or 100,000 miles, whatever comes first. And what included for that warranty is your water pump, your gasket, and your sensors. Your next warranty is your corrosion warranty, and that is a 5 years or unlimited mile warranty. So you got 5 years, and that's covers anything that's about to rust on your vehicle, your aluminum, the underbody carriage and stuff like that. You just take it back to your Ford dealership and you be like, yo, my car is rusting. 5 years. Yeah, that's pretty good with an unlimited mile warranty. Your next warranty is your electric/hybrid warranty, and that is 8 years or 80,000 miles, whichever one comes first, and that includes your drivetrain system and your battery. That's pretty good, because when I was looking at Tesla warranty, yeah, that's up there. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.